Hello everyone. In the last video, we have printed Hello World on the screen. So every time if you want to display something on the screen, you have to type in the keyword print. Because print is a keyword, every time you type it in, it's supposed to turn purple. If it doesn't, you might have spelled print wrong. So some students made mistakes like this. The print didn't turn purple here because the first letter P is not supposed to be capital. After the keyword print, you need to put a pair of curly brackets and a pair of quotation marks. Here, the quotation mark doesn't have to be double, it could be single. In some programming languages, there are some differences, but in Python, they're both okay. So now you can put in whatever you want to display. For example, hi. Now click on run. Now as you can see, it executed every single line you have here. So the first one is hello world, the second one is hi. Sometimes you don't want to print the previous one you've done. So what we can do is we can comment it out. So by click on shift and then hash key, it will turn red. And this time when you run it, only the second one get executed. Now I have a little task for you. Can you write a program that displays the following format?